Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Road 4, a scenic drive that takes you through the heart of Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, a place renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. As you journey along this route, you'll be immersed in the natural beauty that defines this part of Canada, with lush forests, rolling hills, and stunning ocean views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Whether you're a nature lover, a history enthusiast, or simply looking for a peaceful drive, Road 4 on Cape Breton Island provides a delightful journey through one of Canada's most captivating regions. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and take in the stunning scenery and rich cultural tapestry that make Cape Breton Island a truly special place. Thanks for watching.